This is what I have made with the help of 3 tools, which I am going to tell you soon. Have a look at the video. Love is the key that unlocks joy. Turn it with acts of kindness. Open doors of understanding. Your heart will be a sanctuary, and the echoes of happiness will reverberate endlessly. Okay, so now first we need to get some quotes, which we can add in the video. So for that, we are going to use ChatGPT. So the prompt I am using will be in my description. Okay, it looks short, so let's increase the amount of words in prompt. Okay, now it's showing perfect quotes. Okay, let's just choose one. I am choosing the love one. Okay, now let's go to Canva and create a new design and choose mobile video there. Boom! And our new page is loaded. Now we are going to make some more pages. Now need to search for some background for our pages, as our quote is related to love, so we are going to search love. But background doesn't matter. In this you can simply search anything like nature, love, beauty, success, etc. Now we will choose some background and drag and drop them on our pages, and then adjust timings. If you don't want to do this, you can use a website named Filkey, but that's paid. If you want to remove watermark, well, that's much easy to use. If you want to, you can check it out. Okay, so now for voiceover, I am going to use a well-known website, 11 Labs. Okay, so you can easily sign up there, and it gives you 10,000 free characters, though, which is I'm also using right now. Now you need to search for a perfect voice that you want to use for your video. Right now, the one I am using is Chris's voice. You can choose any you like. By the way, here we need to copy the quote from ChatGPT to here and paste it in the block. Okay, let's fast forward the video while choosing the perfect voice. We found it, so now we will download it and upload it on Canva. Love is the key that unlocks joy. Turn it with acts of kindness. Open doors of understanding. Your heart will be a sanctuary, and the echoes of happiness will reverberate endlessly. Adjusting time of pages according to the voiceover, and remove the remaining which you think are not necessary for this video. We also need to add transitions between every page, and I will recommend the dissolve transition. Our work is over in Canva now. Let's download this clip and move towards our last part. Okay, so now we are heading towards our last part, which is to add captions and one secret thing to make it more engaging and satisfying. Now upload the clip we have made on Canva and any sound that you would like to add in the background. I have created mine one using one AI comment, and I will tell you that AI now add sound and clip to the work and then just adjust where you want the music from and end. Now click on the text option and click on auto captions and click on the button to auto generate. And then we have to bring the text to the center and make it unique in style and adjust its size so that its sides fit in video. Now see what I've done in fast forward. Now let's come towards our secret, and it's about the adjustment of video colors to you can do as I have done. By decreasing temperature, by decreasing hue, by increasing saturation, by decreasing brightness, by increasing contrast. Well, it depends on you whether you feel which one better. And by increasing highlight, by decreasing whites, by decreasing shadow, etc. Until I am adjusting the adjustments. You can subscribe to my channel and like my video so that it will appreciate to make more videos on this topic. And don't forget to press the bell icon so you can get notifications instantly. And our video is ready. Have a look on it, and then you can export by clicking on the export button. Love is the key that unlocks joy. Turn it with acts of kindness. Open doors of understanding. Your heart will be a sanctuary, and the echoes of happiness will reverberate endlessly. If you guys will just watch my this last minute, then it can help me, as I need to complete 4,000 hours watch time. I will be thankful if you will also watch this last minute. Well, now I am going to make it full screen and have a look on it. How beautiful it looks. Comment. Do you want more videos on this topic or not? Love is the key that unlocks joy. Turn it with acts of kindness. Open doors of understanding. Your heart will be a sanctuary, and the echoes of happiness will reverberate endlessly. Love is the key that unlocks joy. Turn it with acts of kindness. Open doors of understanding. Your heart will be a sanctuary, and the echoes of happiness will reverberate endlessly.